Tluħ spettakolari tal-missjoni spazjali Artemis II tan-NASA, l-ewwel missjoni lejn il-qamar b'ekwipaġġ ta' astronawti f'aktar minn nof seklu. Se jduru mad-dinja u jmorru lil iktar minn qatt qabel. 3 Amerikani u Kanadiż abbord ir-rocket oli 32 solar telqu minn Florida mill-Kennedy Space Center tan-NASA, missjoni ta' xahar tiem.
Let me begin by congratulating the team at NASA and our brave astronauts on the successful launch of Artemis II. It was quite something. It will be traveling further than any manned rocket has ever flown and will very substantially pass the moon, go around it and come back home.
Fil-kapsula spazjali l-astronauta Christina Koch.
Super stoked that there's a female astronaut going up, and it is just really incredible to see the diversity just going up into space and even having someone from Canada.
L-astronauti ta' Artemis II mhux se jinżlu fuq il-qamar imma b'dil-missjoni se jiftħu triq għal missjoni li terġa' tara grupp ta' astronauti jimxu fuq il-qamar kisba li seħħet l-aħħar fl-1969.